Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve not loading on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window of Magic Tiles 3. After that you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or it can delete your account. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.